Hey everyone, this is Apsa. This is the second part of my previous video for the TestFlow API automation tool. There are a couple of major update into my existing tool. So the first one is now we can run test suite from UI as well, right? So for example, if you want to run this particular suite, then just click on run. And if you just click on here, you will be able to see all the results, all the console logs over here. Okay, and also you can just click on this view result, so it will just go to the dashboard that we created previously. So now we can see the dashboard here with our test results. Yeah, all the assertion and everything. Now this dashboard also looks a little nicer than previous one. Here we can see the overall test status, and here all the suite specific test statuses as well. Yeah, we can have multiple test suites, so you can see each of them, all the status and the overall average status. So the second change is now it supports SOAP API as well. For example, if I see here, now it supports also SOAP. Yeah, and here within this model, we can also see all this request body as XML and all these assertions as well. And you can see now it's a SOAP based here. SOAP or REST we are showing over here as well. Yeah. Then next, so in the UI, there is a small change here within the test cases. You can need to select the REST API or SOAP API. Based on that, you will see certain things within the test data, right? Like JSON body. Instead of JSON body, you will see XML body or something like that, specific to that, right? And apart from that, now in the JSON body, it also supports like this placeholders, so you can store any random or dynamic values here. And in assertions also, now it support this dynamic values like this. Yeah. So in the preprocessor, if you create some dynamic value and you map to, sorry, I think this was like this, map to multiple variables. So now there is something called map to. So this function, it returns multiple values like username and email. So we are storing those two variables into name and email, which will be used in the body. Yeah. So this is how it will be used. So this is something called multiple variables map to. If it return only one value, then we just use this single variable. Yeah. And now we support a database as well. For example, if I want to add one more, like get DBQuery or something. Let me just quickly go here. There is a completed documentation over here. You can just read for database what all changes you need to do for ODBC server, or if you have a DB2 or MySQL, right? So you need to follow this nomenclature in your .env file. And for credential also you need to use here only for ODBC and MySQL. And within this JSON, we need to use this one, DBQuery in the preprocessor. Then use this archetype, like here. If I go here in archetype, you can use, for example, if I just now use this is my DBQuery and your DB name. Basically, this DB name is, it can come from here, whatever the DB name that you are providing, and which is coming here. It should be similar, user DB or ODDB, something like that. Then it will match your database from .env file, and we can use this here. And you can save this, whatever that you are returning from this SQL to a variable, or we can also return multiple values and save to map to. Just now we discussed about map to. Yeah, something like this. As we said, so this also supports this dynamic placeholder value. So from previous API call, if you have any value that is being stored, right, you can just use that within this placeholder. So it will just automatically replace that. So this is just an example over here, DBQuery. Yeah, single value and multiple value. Okay. Also, I added some example over here, what need to be added over here, right? So this is more flexible also, that you can create any custom function within our preprocessor. Here, preprocessor, you can create as many function you can, that will be supported in future. And in Vue also there are a couple of improvement like this. For this preprocessor, you can see a little nicer icons, variable assignment like for multiple variable or single variable, this kind of thing. And also the assertions also seems a little nicer. Yeah. Okay, now let's try to run this, each one of them, and we'll try to run from run all suit. So if I try to run from here, let's say this one of the suit, I think there will be one failure. Yeah. So now we can see also all the responses being in the console log. But in case of here, there is one failure that is expected also, just to show how the failure look like here. And now we can see it's looking nicer, right? And if I now run the whole suite, okay, so in here whole suite run also, there is a filter supported also. You can filter based on your suite filter, like digital library or user service, number service, or smoke, whatever. You can use that filter also, and it will run only those test suite. If do not provide anything, it will just run all the test suites. Yeah, and it will run parallelly, so it will be really faster. So now you can see all tests got completed, and you can see now results. Now there are many test results. Yeah. So yeah, and also now we can filter by status, pass only, failed only, yeah, or only passed. You can see those also filter works. Cool. Okay, let me generate one HTML report for this. So this HTML report basically is emailable, right? And let's see how it looks. Something like this. So it will show all the failures here, and you can just attach this whole thing within your email body, right? We can also try to later maybe change a little bit to make it more nicer. Now the next improvement would be to integrate with CI pipeline, GitHub Actions, or any other. Also, we need to do how we can generate all this test suite automatically through AI. So that is the next thing that we need to do. Please let me know if you have any questions or you want any improvement on this. You can also do directly within this GitHub repository, right? With the issues, or maybe you can just comment within this video. Thanks for watching.